Let's talk about the first time we set up our Midea 18 and 2117 commercial microwave oven. All Midea 200 plus volt units must have voltage selection first put on when it's first plugged in. And this is how you do it. When you first plug in the unit, the screen will scroll across and ask the operator to touch 1 for 230, 240 volt, or touch 2 for 208 volt. In this facility, and most, we have 208 volt. So we'll press 2 and then press start. The unit is now set up for 208 volt use. You have to do this anytime you unplug the unit.